Good morning, children. Up to now, we are discussing so many topics in systems in our body. Okay, how many systems we have? Already you know skeletal system, muscular system, and urinary system, digestive system. Okay, so today we will discuss about nervous system. Open your studio. Okay, children. Today we will discuss about nervous system. So nervous system consists brain and nerves and sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. What is that? Nose and eyes, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, so these 5 sense organs we have. So where is brain located? In our head. In our head the brain is located. And nerves we have every part. So now open page number 76, children. See page number 76. The brain controls everything we do. So whenever you have to do any works or you have to know some sense, it immediately the brain will controls it. Okay. So it works even when we are asleep. If you are sleeping, the brain is not working. What happened? We can live? No. So when we are in sleeping position, our brain also works. Okay. So nerves carry information to the brain from different parts of the body. Children, look at here. See here, we are observing nerves. Okay. So these nerves can send information to the brain. Okay. So here we are observing nerves. These nerves, they can informate the brain information, and they also carry information from the brain back to the different parts of the body. Okay, so here in our brain we are having 3 parts. So in these 3 parts, our back side we are having 1 part. So it can take that information immediately, and so they also carry information from the brain back to the different parts of the body. So the brain receives information from our surroundings through the 5 sense organs. Through the 5 sense organs, our brain can take the information immediately. For example, if you are getting any problem with your nose or tongue and your eyes, so immediately the brain also knows the pain. Okay, so it can receive the information. So our nerves, they can carry that information to the brain. See children, nerves we are observing in this page. So these nerves, they can send information to the brain, so the brain can receive that information. So in nervous system, what are the parts we have? Brain, nerves and sense organs. So sense organs, they can immediately send the information to the brain. The brain receives the information. Okay. So children, here once look at this. So what is the work of the nose? We can smell. We can smell everything. Either it is good smell or bad smell. And sounds, we can hear small sounds and large sounds also. And touch, okay, we can feel when someone they are beating or someone they are pinching. You know that sense. Okay, so the skin will know that sense. And taste, when we are eating something, when we are drinking something, we know the taste, if it is good or not. Okay. And sight, we are looking everything. Okay, on either long distance or small distance, we are looking with our eyes. So our sense organs, namely that nose, eyes and ears and tongue and skin. So they can take the information and send it to the brain. This information travels along the nerves to reach the brain. Okay, the brain then decides our response to the information. Children, here they are given some examples. See page number 77. Once look at the textbook. So for example, when we fall down, the skin of the area will have heart sends a signal through the nerves to our brain. Here see, one person he fell down, so he knows the pain. Immediately the pain, so he hurts, so immediately the signals will they can send to the brain. So the brain can recognize the signal and we feel pain. Immediately when he fall down, he knows that pain. So that nerves, they can send that information to the brain. So immediately he will know that pain. Okay. Okay. So our sense organs help us experience the world around us. So whatever we are doing that works, and our sense organs, they will know that. See here, activity 5.4. Today you have to complete this 5.4 activity and 5.5 also. Okay. Once look at here. Here one story. Once I am reading, look at your textbook and keep your finger on the page I am reading. See, read the story about Brinda's winter vacation and answer the following questions. Okay. Every evening, Brinda waited for the peanut seller to come. Okay. Here, one girl there, she is Brinda. She is every evening waited for the peanut seller. Okay, you know peanuts where seller. So peanut seller, she is waiting for peanut seller because she likes very much. He went from street to street and selling his salted peanuts. So he went every street. He is selling his salted peanuts. He would beat his drum for the people to know he was there. So he played the drum when he was there in that place. So people, they will recognize. Maybe he is there on that place. So they will know. The wonderful smell of warm peanuts drew Brinda towards the peanut seller. So when they are roasted, we can smell it. So the wonderful smell of the peanuts she observed, and she drew Brinda towards the peanut seller. She was very excited. Okay, Brinda, she was very excited because peanut seller has come to her street, and she was, when the peanut seller gave her extra peanut, she ate them happily. Okay, so peanut seller, he gives more peanuts. So when she is eating, she is ate very happily. Someone in your street, or if you are going anywhere, you are eating your favorite food. In that time, they will give more. So how can you feel? You feel happy. So like that, Brinda also she felt happy when she is receiving. Okay, here they are asking questions on this story. Once we read. See, first one. Which sense organs did Brinda use during this experience? So which sense organs she is using in this? First, she smelled. Okay, she smelled that peanut smell. So she is using her nose. Okay, here you have to write nose. Brinda using her sense organs nose because she experienced that smell. Okay, and next one, see. Observe your surroundings. Describe 3 actions where people used their sense organs to gain information and respond. Okay, in your surroundings you are observing so many people. So you know that the sense organs, how do they gain information? Just you have to observe and write here. Here they are given one. See, here you have to write action and sense organs used. What are the sense organs they are used in there? You have to write. First one, they are given smelling, nose. So you know. Just you have to observe and write any 3. Here you have to write. Okay. And next, see page number 78. Here also sense organs activity you are having. So today you have to complete 5.4 and 5.5. So in 5.4 you have to write here sense organs. What are the sense organs we are used? Okay, now you know that because the sense organs, they give information to our brain. So now they can carry that information. First, you know that sense. See, look at the given actions and complete the table. Here they are given some actions. See here, first one they are given action here and organ system used. And here, how does the organ system help in performing the action? Okay. See, first one. What are you? Here she is doing, she is smelling that flower. Okay. See once, she is plucking the flower and she is smelling them. So which organ she is used? Nose. Okay. So here you have to write organs what she is used. For example, she is used here nose. So which organ system? Nose, respiratory system. So you have to write here organ system, respiratory system. And how does the organ system help in performing the action? Okay. Here they are asking organs and organ system also. For example, here nose she is using. So which organ respiratory system. Here nose, and here you have to write respiratory system. And how does the organ system help in performing the action? Okay, how does it will be work and how does it will help? You have to write the reason here. Okay, so she is using her nose to smell the flower. And in organ system, respiratory system, when we are taking breath, it will maybe she is taking here flower smell. So it is for her health, like that, right? You have to write here reason. And next one, see which sensor she is used here. Just observe and write here answer organs and organ system. And here also, here she is eating food. So which organ system she is using? You have write, and here write organ system also. Okay, and you have to write that how does the organ performing the action? How does it works? You have to write here 3. Okay, so today you are having 5.4 and 5.5. Okay, children. So then next tomorrow we will discuss remaining. But today you have to know this. So children, you know how many systems in your body, you know. So what are the systems? You have to write in one paper and you have to read today itself. Okay. Skeletal system we are having, and muscular system, digestive system, urinary system, and respiratory system. Okay. And nervous system, circulatory system. So these all systems once you have to read in your textbook. Today you are complete for all systems. So once again you have to read and underline the difficult words. Okay, underline the difficult words and you have to read today itself. So today you have to complete 5.4 and 5.5, and next you have to read the difficult words. Okay children, tomorrow we will discuss remaining. Bye. Have a nice day.